Babies, let's enjoy the alphabet. M to R. Violet color, yellow color, red color, pink color, orange color, blue color, green color, violet color. M for monkey, M for mango. Yellow color, N for necklace, N for next. Orange color, O for owl, O for orange, O for owl, O for orange. Pink color, P for parrot, P for post, P for poster. Green color, Q for queen, Q for quilt. Blue color, R for rat, R for rain. Violet color, M for mango, M for monkey. Yellow color, N for next, N for necklace. Orange color, O for owl. Pink color, P for parrot. Green color, Q for queen, Q for quilt. Violet color, R for rat, R for rain. Thank you.